Good morning. We're on top of the big old bell in Sedona, Arizona. I watched the sunrise from up here, and just about 30 minutes ago saw somebody jump off this baby and parachute down. It's a big old hike to get up here. Let's see how steep it is, alright? I don't know if I can put this in perspective. Let's see. Whew. There's my foot, okay? That's just a big drop down there. And you can see my pack down that way. Way down there. On top of the world here, in the most beautiful place. Last night, I ended up hiking for a couple hours in the rain, in pitch black darkness. I finally got to the road and ended up camping on the side for a little while. It was an interesting night, to say the least. Trying to find a way to get up this baby. Don't know if it's possible from this spot without some gear, but we'll see. We'll see.